A wonderful day, everyone. I'm Reyes from ECE222, and we are Group 3 and we are here to discuss about problem solving and reasoning. First, we're going to tackle about reasoning. Now, reasoning is defined by the Oxford Dictionary as thinking about something in a logical or sensible way. Now, there are two types of reasoning discussed in the course material. The first one is inductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning is defined as drawing a general conclusion by observing a pattern based on specific instances, and these conclusions are generally called conjecture or hypothesis. So here is an example of inductive reasoning. The first sentence states that it rained last week, and the second sentence states that it rained this week. Based on the given statements, we can therefore conclude, or we can have a conjecture that it will rain next week because of the pattern that it rained last week and it rained this week, so therefore it will rain next week. Basically, one thing to remember about inductive reasoning is that it goes from specific to general, and also note that inductive reasoning is not always correct.
What is deductive reasoning? Deductive reasoning, it is a general to specific, unlike to inductive reasoning, it is a specific to general. Deductive reasoning is a logical process where specific conclusions are drawn from general premises or statements. It is a structured method of inference that guarantees the accuracy of the conclusions if the premises are true. Halimbawa, lahat ng tao is mortal. That's statement number 1. Si HERSHEL ay isang tao. That's statement number 2. Therefore, si HERSHEL ay isang mortal. That's for the conclusion number 4. Another example. All ballpens are solid. That's statement number 1. This is a ballpen. That's statement number 2. Therefore, this is a solid. That's for the conclusion number 4. Basta ang conclusion is drawn logically from the premises, at kung ang statement naman po ay true, conclusion must also be true. Basta ang deductive reasoning ay ginagamit madalas sa logic, sa mathematics, and formal argumentation to establish statement for the irrefutable conclusions.
Now, we're talking about what is rebus. A rebus is a type of puzzle that combines graphical visual with individual letters to represent words of phrases. It also employs the positioning of words or parts of words in the proximity to one another to express a hidden meaning. Now, I give you 3 examples of rebus. This. The hidden word in this photo is out of the blue. Next example. The hidden word in this photo is iceberg. And the last example is the hidden word or meaning in this photo is little by little.
Polias problem solving. First, what is Polias problem solving? Polias problem solving is introduced by mathematician George Polya in his book, How to Solve It. It is a widely used approach to solving mathematical problems. However, its principle can be applied to problem solving in various disciplines. And there has 4 types of Polias problem solving. First, understand the problem. Second, make a plan. Third, execute the plan. Fourth, look back and reflect. So what is understand the problem? Understand the problem is to solve problem effectively. You need to form a complete understanding of them first. This means going beyond the surface symptoms and identifying the root causes, the underlying assumptions, the relevant factors, and the desired outcomes. Second, what is make a plan? A plan is a set of steps, processes, or actions that are to be taken in the future to achieve some desired goals. Plan actions is future-oriented, and how to achieve it is determined in advance. The last one, what is look back and reflect? Look back and reflect. By looking back at our past selves, we compare them not only to who we are today, but who we want to be tomorrow. This process is called reflection.